Welcome to our channel. Rebuilt versus used transmissions. Which offers more value? What they are. Used transmission is just pulled from another car. No work done. Could be fine, could be junk. Rebuilt? They've gone through some love. Bearings, seals, maybe a few gears. Price. Used is cheaper up front. Way cheaper. Rebuilt costs more, but sometimes that extra cash saves you headaches later. Reliability. Used is a gamble. Could last a week, could last years. Rebuilt? Usually more reliable, but it depends on who did the rebuild. Warranty. Most used transmissions? No warranty. Rebuilt? At least a 30 to 90 day coverage. That's peace of mind if it fails after install. Mileage factor. Check the miles. Used with low miles is nice. High miles? You're rolling the dice. Rebuilt? Mileage matters less because they refreshed the guts. Inspection. Look for leaks, check seals, spin the input shaft. Don't just take photos. Touch it, move it, sniff it if you have to. Accessories included. Some come bare, some come with torque converter, sensors, shifter linkage. Ask before buying. Saves you from running back to the parts store. Shipping costs. Transmissions are heavy. Cheap used deal might cost more in shipping. Factor that in before you get excited. Cross shop. Don't buy first when you see. Compare a few. Big price differences usually mean big differences in condition. Seller trust. If the seller dodges questions or gets vague, bail. Plenty of legit sources out there. Don't get stuck with a ticking time bomb. Thank you for watching.